Here I have Lenovo Tab M7, and today I'm going to show you how to enable LED notifications on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then you have to go to the Apps and Notifications, then go to the Notifications, and here you can enable Blink Light. And with this feature enabled, every time you get any notification, this light here will blink. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.